How is a writ of certiorari different from an appeal? Understanding the intricacies of the legal system can be quite fascinating, especially when it comes to the processes that govern how cases are reviewed. Two terms that often come up in legal discussions are writ of certiorari and appeal. While they may seem similar at first glance, they serve distinct purposes and follow different procedures. A writ of certiorari is a specific type of order issued by a higher court to review the decision of a lower court. This legal mechanism is most commonly associated with the Supreme Court of the United States. When a party seeks a writ of certiorari, they are essentially asking the higher court to examine the case and determine whether there were any significant legal errors that warrant further review. Importantly, the Supreme Court has discretion over which cases it chooses to hear, meaning that it can deny a request for a writ without providing any explanation. This selectivity is a key characteristic of the writ of certiorari. On the other hand, an appeal is a broader term that refers to the process of seeking a higher court's review of a lower court's decision. Unlike a writ of certiorari, appeals are typically a matter of right in many jurisdictions, meaning that a party has the legal entitlement to have their case reviewed by a higher court. The appellate court will examine the record of the lower court proceedings, consider the arguments presented, and determine whether to uphold, reverse, or modify the lower court's ruling. Appeals can be filed in various types of cases, including civil and criminal matters. Another significant difference lies in the scope of review. A writ of certiorari often focuses on specific legal questions or issues that have broader implications, while an appeal may address a wider range of issues, including factual determinations made by the lower court. Additionally, the standards of review can differ. Appellate courts may apply different standards depending on the nature of the issues being raised. In summary, while both a writ of certiorari and an appeal involve the review of lower court decisions, they differ in their purpose, the discretion of the higher court, and the scope of issues addressed. Understanding these distinctions can provide valuable insight into the legal process and the pathways available for seeking justice.